Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the auxiliary input in your Mitsubishi Lancer. First, locate the auxiliary port, which is typically a small, round jack. In many Lancer models, you'll find it conveniently placed within the center console storage area. Some variations might position it closer to the gear shifter or even in the glove compartment. Once you've spotted it, you're ready for the next step. Now that you've found the port, grab a standard 3.5mm audio cable. This is the same type of cable often used for headphones. Plug one end securely into the headphone jack of your smartphone, MP3 player, or other audio device. Then, take the other end of the cable and firmly insert it into the auxiliary input jack in your Lancer. With your device connected, it's time to select the auxiliary input on your car's audio system. Turn on your Mitsubishi Lancer's stereo. Look for a button labeled CD/aux or simply Mode on your head unit. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the available audio sources until aux or auxiliary is displayed on the screen. This tells your car to play audio from your connected device. For optimal sound, adjust the volume on both your connected device and your Lancer's car stereo. If you're not hearing any sound, first ensure the audio cable is fully inserted into both the device and the car's port. Also, double-check that your device's volume isn't muted or set too low. Sometimes, a simple cable receipt or volume adjustment is all it takes to get your music playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.